Have you ever found yourself struggling to stay focused, constantly distracted, and unable to make real progress? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying concentrated is more challenging than ever. But what if I told you there's a powerful technique that can transform your focus and help you achieve extraordinary results? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the key to mastering your concentration. Imagine a young artist named Rahul. He had big dreams of creating breathtaking paintings, but distractions always got the better of him. Every time he sat down to paint, his mind wandered. Notifications, social media, endless thoughts. He felt frustrated until he discovered a simple yet magical technique, the deep focus ritual. This technique is based on three core pillars: mindful preparation, single tasking, and reflection. Rahul started his day with a 10-minute mindfulness exercise, closing his eyes, breathing deeply, and visualizing his goal. Then he dedicated focused time to one task only. No distractions, just pure concentration. Finally, he reflected on his progress, celebrating even the smallest achievements. Over time, this ritual helped him tap into his true potential. And guess what? You can do it too. Now think about your own life. How often do distractions pull you away from what truly matters? Whether it's work, studies, or personal growth, staying focused is the key to unlocking your best self. The good news? You don't need superhuman abilities, just the right approach. Let's break it down. First, start your day with intentionality. Spend a few minutes setting your focus for the day. Ask yourself, what is my top priority? Next, eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, create a dedicated workspace, and give yourself permission to focus. Finally, reflect and adjust. Take a moment at the end of the day to review what worked and what didn't. This simple process creates powerful momentum. Success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And focus is the secret ingredient. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step: your ability to direct your energy toward what truly matters. So, are you ready to take control of your focus and unlock your full potential? Start today with one small change. The results will surprise you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little extra focus in their life. Together we can achieve greatness, one focused moment at a time. Stay focused, stay inspired,